Hey guys, welcome to another video. We finally have the Samsung Galaxy S25 with us, and before we unbox, let's talk a little about this phone. The S25 Ultra is available in 4 colors: titanium black, titanium grey, titanium silver blue and titanium white silver. It comes with 12GB RAM, 256GB, 512GB and 1TB internal memory. It has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, Android 15, 7 years of Android update, Bluetooth version 5.4, 5000 mAh battery, ultrasonic under-display fingerprint sensor and IP68 dust and water resistance. 45-watt wired charging and 25-watt wireless charging is available with a starting price of 1.3 lakhs. The model I have here is the titanium silver blue color, which comes with a SIM ejector tool, user manual and C2C charging cable. There are slight changes in the design compared to its predecessor. You can see at the bottom there is an S Pen slot along with a speaker, USB-C port, microphone hole and a SIM ejector tray. There is the volume rockers and power button at the right side with 2 microphone holes at the top. The front and back is made of Corning Gorilla Glass Armor 2 with a reduction in weight to 218 gram. The next design change is in the camera with the outer rings in black color. Coming to the front side of the camera is of 12 megapixel located along with a comparatively smaller bezel extension. What you see here is a 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2x display with 120Hz refresh rate, 2600 peak brightness and 498 pixel density. The front, back and sides are perfectly flat with rounded off corners. Coming to the camera, again we have a 50 megapixel ultra wide camera, then a 200 megapixel wide angle camera with 2x quality zoom, then again a 50 megapixel camera with 5x zoom and 10x optical quality zoom. Then we have the 10 megapixel wide telephoto camera with 3x quality zoom. Now we can record in 8K 30 fps, 4K to 120 fps and 180p to 240 fps. Then there is the new Pro upscaling feature which can be accessed through the display option in settings. Select the screen resolution and choose Full HD Plus to QHD Plus. Watching videos in this resolution will allow you to upscale videos to Full HD Plus along with other videos. Coming to the One UI 7 or Android 15 updates, we have the applications such as camera, calendar, gallery and most apps redesigned. The search bar has been shifted to the bottom of the screen. Due to the Gemini integration in S25 Ultra, it allows you to activate Gemini and Bixby at the same time if you press and hold the power button. The Gemini integration is also seen in the gallery application where you can search for specific category of photos. Another cool feature would be if you access gallery and choose any video followed by clicking on the AI option. At the bottom, the audios in your video will be analyzed and split accordingly, something we have already seen in the iPhone 16 series. You can adjust levels of voice, music and completely reduce noise. At the left corner you have an option called Auto, which allows you to adjust everything automatically. The UI is completely changed in the camera app. The redesigned zoom, a macro enhancer at the left, and at the top you have options to switch from 12, 50 and 200 megapixel. The filters are completely redesigned, showing the strength, color temperature, contrast and saturation on each filter. Shade, shadow, sunbeam, amber, glow, chill, shiver, crystal, pulse breeze are the 10 filters we have here. Now when we click on the right icon, we have more options such as the beauty filter, exposure adjuster and zoom shortcuts. Coming to the front camera, click on this icon to change the tone to normal or warm. The portrait mode comes with 1x, 2x, 3x and 5x zoom levels. The more section still has all the modes like before. The night mode has zoom levels from 0.6x to 10x. The portrait video mode has a maximum recording quality of 4K 830 fps with flash and HDR enabling options. While recording any video, the all-new zoom slider is quite handy as you can zoom smoothly like the digital cameras. In Pro video mode, we can record in 4K to 120 frames and 30 frames in 8K. Then coming to the normal video mode, we have the super steady mode where we can change the quality of the recording with 0.6x, 1x levels of zoom. Switching to the front camera, again we record with a maximum quality of 4K 860 fps. Going to the camera setting, click on the advanced picture options where you can see the motion photo. Click on this option, you can see before and after shutter and before shutter only option. Also in the advanced video options, we have high bitrate videos, HDR and log options. In the general settings, we have a new option for composition guide which allows you to enable right lines and level. So that's all about this video. We'll get to the details of One UI and perform other comparisons in the upcoming videos. Hope you liked the video and do let me know in the comments what you think about the new S25 Ultra.